In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add due dates in Goodday. Adding clear due dates is one of the simplest ways to keep your tasks under control, and Goodday makes this pretty straightforward once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own workspace as we go. First, start by opening Goodday and navigating to the project or workspace where your task lives. Look through your task list or board and select the task you want to schedule. You can do this by clicking directly on the task name. This will open the task details panel or window, depending on how your workspace is set up. Take a moment to confirm that you're on the correct task, since the due date you set here will affect reminders and planning views. Once the task is open, look for the deadline icon. This is usually displayed near the top area of the task details, alongside other key fields like assignee or status. It often looks like a small calendar or clock symbol. Click on the deadline icon to open the date picker. This is where you'll choose when the task should be finished. When the date picker appears, you'll be able to select a specific day from the calendar. Click on the date that you want to set as the deadline. As you choose your date, think about how long the task will realistically take, and whether it depends on other tasks being done first. Setting a realistic due date here will help you avoid last-minute rushes later on. After you select your date, the calendar will close, and you should see the chosen deadline reflected on the task. Next, you can refine your schedule further by setting both a start date and an end date. To do this, look for the start-end icon, usually found close to the deadline or scheduling section in the task details. Click on this icon to open additional date options. This lets you define not just when the task is due, but also when work on it should begin. In the start and end date selector, choose your start date first, then your end date. Make sure the start date is earlier than or equal to the end date, so that your timeline makes sense. This range will help you see the task more clearly on timelines, calendars, and Gantt views within Goodday, and it gives your team a better sense of when work is actually happening. Once you've selected your dates, confirm that everything looks correct in the task details. Your task now has a clear deadline, and if you chose to set them, define start and end dates that will keep your schedule organized inside Goodday.